Imagine just a normal day looking up. The sky suddenly burns white, a shadow falls, and the world as you know it vanishes. On August 6, 1945 at 8:15 a.m., Hiroshima changed forever. Today we walk through a city that has not only rebuilt itself, but continues to share its messages of peace and hope with the world. We will travel from Tokyo to Hiroshima to discover its food options and find the must-go spots. Let's go! We will start our journey with the atomic bomb dome. It stands as a haunting but necessary reminder. Once the Hiroshima Prefectural Industrial Promotion Hall, and it was one of the few buildings to partially withstand the blast. Preserved in its ruined state, it is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site, urging visitors never to forget. And if you're lucky, you might get a glimpse of the cat currently inhabiting the dome. Close to the dome, you can also find other historically significant locations, like this Aogiri Tree. It stood through the blast and, despite odds, continued to grow. While here, don't miss the nearby peace flame. It has been burning continuously since it was lit in 1964. It was decided to remain alight until the world is free of nuclear weapons. A powerful reminder of Hiroshima's mission for peace. And a place many visitors miss is this simple stone monument, which marks the exact hypocenter of the explosion. Directly above this point, 600 meters in the sky, the bomb detonated. From here, the destruction radiated outward in all directions. Since you seem hungry, why not enjoy a quiet breakfast at Rue Burajiru, a cozy cafe known for its nostalgic atmosphere, where you can get the morning set for just 550 yen. This is a place where locals gather, sip coffee, and begin their day. And for lunch, make sure to check out this old-style Showa restaurant called Karasawa. Food is extremely affordable, and will take you back to times when things was more simple. Next, we will visit the Hiroshima Peace Memorial Museum. Viewer discretion is advised. Here, history is preserved through artifacts, photographs, and first-hand accounts. This is a bottle melted at the day of the drop. Just walking here, you can get a sense of the damage done. Heading further, you can find a simulation of the bomb, showing the actual scale of the destruction. It can be hard to imagine that this actually happened. Among the exhibits are everyday objects, frozen in time, silent witness to the unimaginable. These things are all a testament to the bomb's devastating force. You can also find displays of haunted drawings made by survivors, sketches of horrors they witnessed. Leaving this place will not only grant you knowledge of history, but also a deeper understanding of the value of life and the importance of peace. Leaving the sad memories behind, we enter Shukkeien, a tranquil Japanese garden first created in the 17th century. One of the highlights: buy a small packet of fish food and watch as they eagerly swim towards you. Pro tip: doves also likes it. The garden is full of small surprising details, making it really interesting just to wander around. On a small hill, you can find this small shrine. Here, people seem to have been making offerings. Looks like a gold stash. By the way, though it's a garden of beauty, it also holds a tragic history. On August 6, 1945, the atomic bomb exploded just 1.5 kilometers from here, and the intense heat and shockwave destroyed much of the garden. But despite the destruction, Shukkeien was carefully restored, allowing visitors to experience its beauty once again. It's a reminder of the past and a hope for the future. Cat spotted. Meow. By the way, if you ever wonder what these straw belts around trees are, they are called waramaki and is used to protect the trees against pests. This is Uminosuke, one of many izakayas located close to Hiroshima station. They are various dishes like dried stingray fin, shark cartilage mixed with plum, salmon and sesame pickles, fried minced fish paste, shrimp scallops and squid skewers, iburigakko, which is a smoked and pickled daikon radish. This one tastes like a smoked sausage, but crispy. While already exploring foods, let's head to Onomichi Ramen. It gives a really authentic and nostalgic vibe. Look at this ramen bowl. If this doesn't make you hungry, I'm not sure what will. They are pork-based and has a really deep taste. I promised myself to not gain more weight, but I have to eat this. Their fried chicken also beats KFC by far. Simply amazing. Let's take a small break from the food and explore some more historic parts of Hiroshima. Temples in Hiroshima have stood for centuries, offering places of worship, reflection and tradition. But in 1945, their fate changed forever. Before the war, Hiroshima was home to many historic temples, each with a deep cultural and spiritual significance. On August 6, 1945, the atomic bomb destroyed much of the city, and many temples were lost in an instant. Yet, some temples remained, either miraculously standing or rebuilt from the ashes. Today, Hiroshima's temples symbolize more than religion. They stand as a quiet reminders of resilience, recovery, and the hope for peace. Here at Ningitsu Shrine, you can see an example of the destruction. Now, for the last stop, Okonomimura, Hiroshima's iconic food village dedicated to one of Japan's most beloved dishes, Okonomiyaki. Okonomiyaki is often described as a savory pancake, but here in Hiroshima, it's so much more. The local style is unique. Layers of butter, cabbage, meat and seafood, and noodles are all cooked to perfection on a hot grill. The okonomiyaki is topped with a sweet glaze, seaweed, and sesame seeds. Smells like heaven. If going to Hiroshima, please try this. Thanks for watching and see you in Hiroshima.